Remember how a leaking tap destroys your day? Urban Clap comes in just then to solve these problems. It helps you find the right service professional at your doorstep. In a span of just 1.5 years, the company has 5,000 users per day on its platform. Including a seed round of funding, the company received 2 rounds of funding worth $25 million from Bessemer Venture Partners with participation from existing investors, Saif and Axel Partners. This has enabled it to set shop in 8 cities across 90 categories.
So this money is going to be more used to build a stronger team, mostly be very systematic about the way we are expanding into different cities and spending on marketing. I think marketing, expansion and team building will take that amount.
Through its frugal ways, the company has tried to reduce expenses and optimize resources. This in turn helped them grow their customer base.
Challenge as a team is really to keep it low and really brainstorm and come up with better ways and optimizing simple things. Oftentimes in the speed of race you kind of like doesn't matter, customer at any cost, right? We really avoid that and it's a struggle. We haven't increased our marketing costs in 3 months, but we have increased our customer base rate.
In 3 years, Urban Clap grew from a 3-member team to a 300-member team. Despite the unprecedented growth, the team is grounded and believes in keeping it simple while sticking to basics.
Tricks really in keeping everyone aligned, right? We constantly force ourselves to talk and communicate more. Communicating more is always better than less, right? Work really hard, reinvent the wheel wherever possible, try to think of newer ideas, right? And keep it very simple. And based on this, we kind of build our team and scale it.
Urban Clap is looking to join the Unicorn Club soon in the services sector and has put down steep targets for itself for the coming year.
It's a question of core company building, core business model building, core sustainability for us this year. Alright, so for us, we about 5,000 odd requests. We want to take it to 1 lakh by the end of this year. Right, and that basically takes care across, right, professionals, about 15,000 active professionals. That scales up to 10x.
Startup policy of the government going to be disruptive? What changes do you think it will bring about to the country?
I think definitely the policies are in the right step, but there are 3 things which come to my mind when I think about these policies. I think the need of the hour is number 1, simplification.
Every entrepreneur must have 3 attributes. Competence, that is, he or she should know what they're going to do, how that will impact the world, how that will bring revenues, etc., etc.